Whom do you think is your biggest enemy? Do you think he or she is someone from outside? No, it is someone within. That is our anger. Because when anger is there, it is spoiling many things within. So we should know how to have control over our anger. Hi, I'm Lopa Mudra. I'm a career growth coach and communication expert. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 powerful techniques. By doing all those things in regular routine, you can have control over your anger. Number 1, practice relaxation skills. So when we are practicing different variety of relaxation skills in our routine life, we have more control over our emotions like anger. Some of the relaxation skills are like meditation, yoga, pranayama, different thing. Practicing gratitude, maintaining a gratitude note, saying thanks to everybody every day. So all these things when we are doing, our mind is in a very calm and quiet relaxation state. So there is a less chance of getting anger, and in case we are getting also very easily, we can have control on that. Number 2, use humor to release your tension. If we have a good sense of humor, it is very easy to come out of any situation. We can take every situation as a fun activity, we can laugh at that situation and we can easily come out of that. So now how to increase that sense of humor? We can engage ourselves every day for some time to watch some comedy shows, maybe some cartoon channels, something which is very funny. So if we are engaging ourselves into that, gradually our brain will be programmed in that way that our sense of humor will increase. So whenever any challenging situation is also coming, we will laugh at that situation. So when we're laughing at someone, the other side is becoming poor and somehow it will gradually decrease. So naturally we can conquer over our anger. Number 3, forgive. It's a very powerful technique. When we are forgiving someone, it's not for that person, it's for us. Because when we're forgiving that person, there is a peace within and we can move ourselves. So for our own self, for our own betterment, please forgive whatever may be the situation to the other person. Don't get angry in that person. Till the time you are carrying that anger within, I don't know how much it is hampering to that person. But if you are carrying that anger within, it is hampering you a lot. You are getting lot of health issues. You are getting lot of challenges in your daily life. Maybe you are not able to move the way you should move in any particular activity. So don't do that. Practice doing forgiveness. I know it is not very easy in certain kind of situation, but when we are saying ourselves that we will be practicing forgivingness, we are programming our mind to forgive everyone, every situation, every person, even ourselves if we are doing something wrong. When we are programming our mind in that way and we are saying this to ourselves repeatedly, very easily we can develop that habit within us and we can conquer over anger. Number 4, exercise. Doing exercise every day. Probably it is sounding very funny, but yes, when we are moving our body and we are doing some exercise every day, that can be going for a walk, jogging, swimming, even dancing, jumping, going to a gym, anything. When we are moving our body, oxygen is flowing within, and when our heartbeat, the flow of your heart, it is not in a normal rhythm, it is going up, going down. When it is into a fluctuation, that is giving a motion within, and motion is having control over emotion. So when we are changing the motion of our body, it is having good control over our emotion. So we can have control over our anger also. I'm sure you are finding these 4 techniques very useful and you are going to implement it in your routine life. Please let me know how useful you are finding them, and if you want me to come out with more such videos, kindly let me know the topics you want me to cover, and please stay connected with me to have more such